I think better term, and many people have used this, better to stay private but not secret.
Yeah.
Yeah, like still be expressive and loving and caring for each other, but not in a way na secret and you're just sure I'm giving you all the love pero tayo lang. And I mean nothing wrong pero alam mo yung parang in a way makakapag think ka din na ba't ang dami mong tinatago na it's not na parang in a way na tago siya kasi nobody is allowed to see the love that we have. Kasi
Gets.
parang sometimes it's nice na other people get to see that you are very loving towards each other. Like,
Yeah.
especially example, let's say you have a partner and you have kids. So parang it's nice na the kids get to see how loving you are because they get to learn from it. So that's what I
Totoo.
meant with not trying to keep it secret na you're trying to be ang tawag doon? Parang, no, only us can see the love that we have. Like, we don't want to share it to others.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ganun.
Wag naman ganon.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like you guys should find middle ground, common ground with each other. And also, tama nga na parang secret talaga is a no-no kasi that shows na you're hiding something and that
And what
you have
would you be
something
hiding about?
yeah, and like what would you want? What else would you want? Like are you keeping your options open? That's why you're hiding.
Ay, feeling mo kaya
No.
siguro ganun yung ibang relationships.
Yeah, like may
no?
mga relationships talaga.
Ugh.
That's why guys, charot. Joke lang, hindi naman.
could
It applies
go
to
for both
everyone.
ways, but-
It applies to everyone.
Yeah, ang hirap nung ganun na parang reason kaya pala naging they use low-key as a reason lang pala na to keep their options open na well, let's say low-key because ano pala on the back of their mind I'm still like having
Yeah.
some thoughts about this girl. Tapos may mga ganun nga na magugulat sila ayun sa relationship that time. They're very low-key, tapos nag-break, tapos the next relationship, magugulat ka na lang na, biglang nag-switch to high-key si boy.
Oh my
Why
God.
kaya?
Kaya
Diba?
pala.
Oo.
He wanted more.
I
or
guess-
she wanted more.
I guess, dun mo malaman siguro na, yung low-key pala niya is secret kind of low-key.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
like, yun nga, tinago eh.
Oh,
Tinago. Papayag ka nun, tinago ka. Papayag ka nun.
Ako,